What is a private key in crypto? Your digital vault explained. All right, let's talk crypto security. You've probably heard of Bitcoin and Ethereum, but have you heard of a private key? It's one of the most critical concepts in cryptocurrency, and understanding it is absolutely essential. Let's unlock the mystery in under 2 minutes. Your digital signature. Imagine your private key as the secret password or master key to your crypto funds. It's a unique, secret, and very long string of alphanumeric characters. When you want to send crypto from your wallet, your private key is used to digitally sign the transaction. This signature proves that you own the funds and authorize their transfer. Without your private key, no one can move your crypto, and with it, anyone can. Public key versus private key. It's often confused with a public key or your wallet address. Think of your public key as your bank account number. You can share it freely for people to send you money. But your private key? That's like the PIN to your ATM card or the password to your online banking. It must be kept absolutely secret. Your public key is mathematically derived from your private key, but the private key cannot be reverse engineered from the public key. Why security is paramount. This brings us to the most important point, security. If someone gets hold of your private key, they gain complete control over your crypto. There's no forgot password button in crypto. If you lose your private key or if it's stolen, your funds are gone forever with no bank or institution to help you recover them. This is why it's crucial to store it securely, whether in a hardware wallet, a carefully written down recovery phrase, seed phrase, or an encrypted file. So, your private key is the ultimate gatekeeper to your digital assets. Treat it like gold, keep it secret, and keep it safe. If you found this explanation helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more essential crypto knowledge. What other crypto terms confuse you? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching.